how the actual phone is looking. It has a very nice matte background. Did upgrade from the iPhone 10 right here. So as you can see, this is shiny and this has a matte finish, and they're both in silver. The key difference is the size. I have never gotten a max before, so this is the biggest phone that I've ever had. So I just wanted to try something new. Of course, it is a design difference as well. The iPhone 10 is rounded, but the iPhone 10 is a flat back, so it can stand up by itself, which is really nice. Oh, I was so scared. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so everything has been finally set up now and all the apps have downloaded, so it is really nice. It looks exactly like my original phone on the iOS 14 that I had. Oh, cats. I actually added this in I think afterwards, but yes. So it was actually kind of funny, but a lot of you guys actually noticed my Ultimate games, which I was really happy about because now I have like people to talk to about Ultimate games with. The funny thing is that because of my old iPhone, because this was almost like full, it was like 63.3 or something, it was actually really high. I had to like delete quite a few of my Ultimate games, so I have to re-download all of them. But I think I will be changing this up. And so this phone is huge and is very heavy, and like the difference of it is noticeable, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. And then on the back, the iPhone 10 is really shiny, so it does have a nice sheen to it. You can see all of my fingerprints. But then this one right here, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, this one is matte, and so it's less prone to fingerprints, I would say, because I just applied lotion on like 20 minutes ago, but you can see that there isn't as much noticeable fingerprints on this one, which is nice, but I don't really mind. The fronts are just as fingerprinty, but at least on the back you can't really see it as much. So you guys saw me apply the screen protector on while the phone wasn't on. That was a mistake because now they are no longer aligned right here, so I am sad about that, but we are gonna live with it because that just happens sometimes. Okay, so this is filming on both of them, and right off the bat you can see I have done no adjustments whatsoever, but the iPhone 12 is picking up a lot of the colors a lot more and is doing a lot better in low light. But this is my lighting setup, and then this is my filming, and then this is my nightstand. But the colors are just a lot more vibrant on the 12, but as you can see, like in